everyone, I'm Grace, a product manager of the DVR team. Our team is doing a video series to introduce the most important functions of our dashcams. Today's focus is the real-time video recording, a basic but core function. Our dashcams allow video data to be transmitted remotely over the network using protocols like RTMP and RTP, enabling users to monitor in real time. Think of it as live broadcasting, presenting the captured video stream instantly with minimal delay. You can watch the current surroundings from the back office, regardless of the car's location or movement. This function is particularly convenient for fleet managers. You can promptly spot emergencies while real-time video and respond accordingly, ensuring the safety of both the fleet and drivers. In normal circumstances, the dashcam only transmits GPS and alert data. It doesn't connect to the streaming server and push video streams in real time, so you don't need to worry about excessive cellular data consumption. To view the live video stream, simply send a streaming command to the dashcam via the TCP server. Upon receiving the command, the device will first respond to the TCP server, indicating command reception. At the same time, it will start pushing the current footage to the specific streaming server. If you are using our fleet management platform, Tracksolid Pro, this process is very easy. Log in to Tracksolid Pro, click Video and then Live. Enter a device name or IMEI to find a device for which you want to view the live video feed. Click on the device and all video channels will appear. Select a channel and the platform will retrieve the live feed. If you encounter permission issues, go to Settings to check if the permission is enabled or if the device is under your login account. The Tracksolid Pro app also supports this feature. Open the app, find the desired device from the list, and click on it to enter the page. Then, click on the camera icon to enter the media center. Finally, click Live to view the live feed. While real-time streaming control parameters may vary slightly between different dashcam models, they generally share some common functionalities. Mute video. In certain scenarios, you may need to turn off voice recording during live streaming, for example, to mute driver conversations. Streaming resolution and bitrate. Configure these two parameters for a clearer live feed. However, higher resolution and bitrate consumes more cellular data and are more likely to cause lag or loading issues with weak network signals. They may also shorten the duration of saved video footage. Video mirroring. For rear-facing cameras, you can choose to mirror the video for better viewing. Watermark customization. With this feature, you can add your company name or fleet name to the video and promote your brand or make your fleet easily recognizable. Speed unit adjustment. Set the unit for vehicle speed on video as miles per hour or kilometers per hour based on your preference. Please note that configuring these parameters may affect the regularly recorded video stored on the dashcam's internal memory or TF card. Refer to the specific product model for supported functions and characteristics. That's all for the real-time video function of Jimi IoT's dashcams. We will introduce other functions in future videos. Stay updated and see you next time.